My name is Emily. Today I will answer the open-ended questions. 1. How many different types of metallic organic compounds does a cell's human breath typically contain? I think the type of metallic organic compound is ethanol and acetic acid. These are two types. 3. What is the Warburg effect? The Warburg effect is the emission of metallic compound, organic compound, when it blows steam into the exhaled air. This actually is the answer. Where I see it, like it's going to be going to the exhaled breath to the steam and then to the air. So that's right. 4. If taking cancer can be simple as measuring alcohol level in the person's health, what could be the consequences? The consequences may be that it's may wrong. People will have more disease in them also. 5. If the technology is sensitive enough, breathalyzers may be able to detect disease even before symptoms occur. Of course, a blessing. Then it's typically no changes. I think it's a blessing because people could understand the future, what they're going to do, and they're going to prepare, like the COVID-19. They're going to wear masks. There are things they're going to be into this world. That's why oftentimes it's a blessing for everybody to understand the world, the relationship. I mean, not relationship, but how many diseases they're going to have before its symptoms occur. 6. What is the advantages and disadvantages for breathalyzers compared to other generative tools? So the advantages is actually, I think that for people to understand it too. Therefore, people health and world are actually compare. People must have a longer life and more respectively. But the advantages, they have more curves and more advantages coming to them, more compared life. 8. Taking cancer can be simple on measuring alcohol levels in person's breath. What could be the consequences? Maybe it may be wrong, it may be easy, something might be incorrect, or something wrong accident happen. 9. If the technology is sensitive enough, breathalyzers might be able to detect disease, even if any symptom occurs. Current blessing. I think it's blessing. It's the same thing again. Maybe if we can have that, we can see the future even more easier. Maybe science can make even a globe, but people can see the world inside and out. That's why we can always see things such as the easiest things ourselves. 10. What is the advantages and disadvantages of breathalyzers to compare to our general tools? I think it's repeating the question again, so I want to answer the question because it's like it's the same question 6. So just talk so I answer to. So the advantages is actually people can understand the future and stuff, and the advantages they might be wrong or something. It's crazy. 11. What is metallic organic compound? A metallic organic compound, something that does with your health, or maybe people can see that it's something like metallic organic compound, something like for mixtures. Maybe it's travel to like an alcohol breath. It's actually like gas travel to. It's actually gas travel to the person's house. It's like gases. Now let's move on to the discussion. 1. Do you think it's beneficial to develop new diagnosis tools that would allow for extended screening or allow process the disease and cancer? I think it should. Because maybe we can understand cancer could be solved right away, and maybe that the disease is coming. We often have cancer, so I really experience that we should have new diagnostic tools to understand about it. 2. Can you think of any specific application? For example, when a user breath test could realize the healthcare system? Maybe not, because I'm not a scientist or Spanish here. I really just explore this normal person, which maybe I can have some examples. The breathalyzers can take an image of the other people to the other people. Maybe they can take that in their own bodies. They can look in the own body camera, something else that can detect why they have cancer so easy. And they can detect that. Okay, I think it's like the easiest example of all. 3. What if every person had breathalyzer at home is capable of detecting some of the deadly disease, like cancer or heart disease? That's really great. People got maybe like do some alcoholism. Maybe they could treat like maybe all of us can be scientists. We already scientists, and we can be and have made cure diseases by many typical symptoms. They can think that we should solve all human diseases